Well, a new law went into effect last week here in Mississippi, and this includes House Bill 1197, which is the Safe Solicitation Act.
Yeah, that's right. I spoke with Lowndes County Sheriff Eddie Hawkins about how this will be enforced and resources available for those who need it.
Under a new law, asking for donations on a public street or sidewalk is going to require a permit. Cities and counties will set the fee amount for the permits, which cannot exceed $25.
The permit is good for 1 day, and it has to be for a particular intersection. They have to designate an area where they're going to be out panhandling. While they're panhandling, they have to do it between the hours of 9 a.m. and 1 hour before sunset.
Lowndes County Sheriff Eddie Hawkins says permits can be denied based on the application.
We're going to check to see if they have applied for a permit, and if they haven't, then we're going to stop them from panhandling, and we can fine them. If they're found guilty of this charge, the fine can be up to $500 and up to 6 months in jail, or both, depending on the severity of the crime.
Hawkins says the intent is to stop people from harassing others for money.
If somebody is denied during the solicitation and they continue to harass that person asking them for money, they can be charged with a crime and be arrested and taken to jail.
Oftentimes, these people may be homeless or in need of help. In this case, Hawkins says his deputies work to find people resources.
This law was not put in place to hurt people, but to offer them more assistance and get them off the street and reduce our homeless population.
If an individual goes and fills out the paperwork to get that permit so they can ask for donations from the public, with their blessing, we can get the referral from that city or that county that's issuing those permits, and we can assess, the situation and fully help that individual get out of the poverty that they're in. We really want to help people, especially in this weather where it's so warm. The temperatures are only climbing and we're not even out of summer yet.
Hawkins says most of the time this activity happens within the city limits. Another bill passed, House Bill 1203, prohibits camping or sleeping in a public place that's not designated for camping. President for the Golden Triangle Regional Homeless Coalition, Susan Garton, says this is a great opportunity for the organization to work with law enforcement to help people.
We can really try to accomplish the main goal as a community and tackle the issue of homelessness.
Hawkins says a statute requires counties or municipalities to set up a process to offer permits for panhandling. There's a 6-month window to sort out the plan. Counties or municipalities can opt out of charging a fee for panhandling. City and county leaders will make that decision.